Hi guys, I'm going to show you a quick example of a slice versus a dice. These are the two most common instructions you're going to see for knife work in your recipes. It might say, you know, half an onion, small or large dice, or slice, or one of those two things. So this is what it means by that, and this is sort of the most streamlined way to do it. So I'm going to use an onion as an example today. And to start, you're just going to be careful because your onion's kind of rolly. So just for this first chop, you're going to be careful and sort of slice the end off. With the stem on it, you're going to keep this end intact, and I'll show you why in a second. So now you have that flat edge, you can put it down and you can confidently slice the onion in half. And then you just peel that first layer off so you get the skin off. And if that first layer of onion is kind of funky, you can get rid of that too. So just get that all off and keep that nub intact, like I said. This is what you're gonna do for a dice. Get rid of my debris. So first, using your claw that we talked about, you're gonna hold the onion sideways like this, and you're gonna cut slits into it, and depending if you want small pieces or large pieces, that's how far apart your slices are gonna go. So I'm just gonna do like a medium dice slicing. I need to sharpen my knife, so slice it all the way down. And then you're gonna turn it and you're gonna cut perpendicular to those slices just one time through. So I hold the knife like this, and then about halfway through I go diagonally down very gently, not all the way through, so that the end still stays intact. And then you're going to chop across that grid you just made, and it's gonna create perfect little diced onions for you. So hold your onion intact with your claw. Start with, you know, wherever you want the size of the dice to be. I'm gonna go right here. Chop, 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 and see how it just falls apart into perfect little chopped pieces. So that's your dice, and then you can get rid of that nub. The other half of this onion, I'm going to show you how to slice. I'm going to get rid of my outer layer here. And this one's much easier. You're not going to make a grid this time. You'll see, and you've probably noticed before, the layers of the onion. So you've already got one layer done, and if you just want slices, you basically just hold the onion with the nub facing out this way, and you decide how thick you want the slices to be. If you want them to be really skinny and get, you know, caramelized quickly, you can go really thin, or if you want big chunky strips for fajitas or something, you know, it's up to you. But using that same method, the rocking motion, I'm going to rock down slice, down slice, down slice, all the way till the end. Oop, man overboard. And then you'll see you've got your perfect sliced pieces here for a stir fry or a fajita bowl or something like that. So those are the basics. If you have any questions about something else you're trying to chop this week in a recipe, I know somebody requested a demonstration of a butternut squash. I do not have one of those this week, but I'll get one next week and I will show you how to do that. Have a good snow day.